Today I'm reviewing this fountain pen of my husband's. It's the carbon fiber color. It comes in probably a dozen other colors. So if this isn't your jam, there's a lot of other colors to choose from. It also comes in a bunch of different nib styles. So this is the long knife point. I don't know if you can see, but there's like fine, extra fine, medium. So pick the nib that you're looking for, pick the color that you're looking for. Um, the ink, I'm going to show you how it writes here in just a second, but the ink cartridges, it is ink cartridges. So it's a good starter pen for people that are not quite sure that they want to get into fountain pens and the whole ink thing. There is a whole world of fountain pens out there, and I respect the heck out of the people that are into that. That is not a world that I'm ready to jump into yet. So I love that the cartridges that are out there that you can pop in to do your fountain pens that way, so that you can at least just start exploring with, do you want to write with a fountain pen first and then get into the whole world of inks and fancy nibs and fancy pens. Like, just the pens themselves are awesome. This has a really nice weight and feel to it, and it writes really nice. I've been playing with this one earlier today to see how it writes. I like this. I think it was, the long knife point tip. So let's tilt you down so you can see this here. But it's hard to write up like this. Okay, so but yeah, so you can see that it writes really smoothly. I'm writing gibberish. This is not actually words because my handwriting is terrible. You wouldn't be able to write it you wouldn't be able to read it anyway. I could tell you those are words. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm just going to kind of glide across the page. It's really nice and smooth. And so, like, yeah, this is why my husband has chosen to use fountain pens for journaling, because it enhances the writing experience, right? So if you or a loved one is looking to, or you're just looking for a gift for someone that is trying to get into fountain pens, this might just be the one you want to are looking into. Again, tons of different color variations and tons of different nib styles. So take a look, and I hope that this has helped.